Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam Manzoor here. So you are struggling with your SEO and you are not getting traffic on your Go High Level website. So no worry about that. I am here to help you how to rank your Go High Level website. I will guide you step by step, and I will also show you complete plan and blueprint as well of SEO. So you will get more traffic, more sales and more leads. So that's a small series of SEO of Go High Level website. So in the first step, we are going to discuss complete plan, what we are going to do, and then in the next few videos we will do this practical. We will dive into Go High Level website, and we will make our Go High Level website structure according to the Google rules, and we will optimize keywords, and we will do some keyword research as well for Go High Level. We will update on-page SEO, we will update technical SEO, and mostly speed optimization, and also we will do some off-page SEO as well in a Go High Level website. So we will try to get our Go High Level website rank as soon as possible. So if you're ready, just thumbs up and share this video and subscribe the channel and dive with me on this video. So I will show you step by step what we are going to do in this complete series of Go High Level website SEO plan and structure. Here I have just start from the basic, and I just first of all I just go to make the structure of website, how we can design our structure for SEO optimize, and then we will utilize our keywords, and also we discuss initial sections as well in a Go High Level website. So in the first scenario, we will design our home page, but home page must be include our main keywords. So for example, our main keyword is a real estate agent, so we can make our the main H1 title. Our H1 heading is with must our keywords that real estate agents. Then we will write some short description or short page title or something, other sections as well, and then after that we will make some awareness section, and after the awareness section we will make some call to action section in which we will mention our services, or we have two options. We can make our services on our single page, or we can create separate page for each services, and or a single page for services, and where we can just go to dive from menu, and we have with different services. So we will each services have separate keyword, like real estate agent services we will say selling home or buying home. These are services we can make the page name, and also we can make the title as well according to the service name, and also we will create another landing page for lead magnets and for offers. That's not a complete homepage. We can make a section of homepage in which we are going to offer our we can say that you can book this, you can download this free book, but instead of just giving us your email's name, and that's how we can capture the leads. We have lead magnet section where we have some text, some offer, and also we have some form where we can ask user to put their all details, and also we have about us page as well where we can design according to the brand designing guide, and also we can what we can do, we can put some main keywords and branding keywords there as well, same as contact page. And in a contact page what we can do, we will place a Google map for local SEO for ranking local keywords, and also we have blog section as well. As you know, Go High Level have amazing blog section as well. And by the way, you don't know how to create blog in a Go High Level, I have just attached another video on above. You can just simply click on the above link and you can watch how you can create amazing blog in Go High Level. And after that we have FAQ section, in which that will help us to rank in a Google, and also it will help us also rank in a FAQs, rank in a people also ask section, and also we will take care of voice search as well. So you know, it's a modern world, and right now we are living in 25. Most people are, instead of typing, they will search on a voice. So that's how we can train our design our blog or website, that it can be appear in a voice search results as well. So that's what we can plan a designing. In the next video or in the next lecture, I will show you how we can plan it and how we can utilize it, how we can design it website, and how we can implement SEO things as well. That's the initial things. If you are creating Go High Level websites, and you need to take care about of these all SEO steps. So in the next section, what we are going to do, we are going to learn basic of on-page SEO optimization, how you can do your basic on-page SEO optimization in Go High Level websites. So it's a simple 6 step. So the first thing is that we will mention, as I mentioned previous step, we will use keywords in our main headings. So here you can say title tags means your primary keywords must be in our 60 character max, and we can use in a page name, page main title, and also we can use 3 and 4 time in our complete page structures. And meta description, yeah, of course, it's a most important part. We can discuss on it and how we can write meta description and how we can use keyword naturally. I can explain in a practical video as well, but here, for example, you have proper meta description, but sometime we will do some stuffing to using keyword that not allow. You can being a natural, and you can just write a natural meta description, and must be use this main keyword naturally instead of using forcefully, or we are doing some stuffing. And the second one is a heading structure. What we are doing in a heading structure, so our main heading is h1, and then all other headings are h2 if they are main, and if we have under h2 any headings, so it will be a h3, and if we have h3 under any headings, then it will be a h4, h5, and same structure will goes until your heading 6 not reached. And the next is URL structure. Your URL must be a short, and you can add your keywords. For example, your keyword is a 200 characters, or we can say that it's 100 plus characters. So what we can do, we can just make it short, and we can use just our exact keyword, and we can place in a URL. Then another thing is alt text optimization. By the way, no worry about that. We will learn these all things live in Go High Level as well in the next few videos. And we will do alt tags. For example, we will not update just alt tag. We will update SEO optimized title of image. That's called name of image. And also we will add compressed image, and after the compressed image, we can use alt tag. We can use image name as well as a keyword, and also alt tag as a keyword as well. And also we have internal linking. So we will do internal linking. Internal linking is most important for growing your website, so making your website structured. So we will do internal linking, and we will learn about anchor strategy as well. What is the anchor strategy? We need to use a similar anchor strategy. For example, your homepage is about real estate agents, so in your homepage you will use real estate agents as a buyer. So we can use buyer as a link to the buyer service page. So we will make complete plan, and we will discuss on it. No worry about that. And in the next section, we will learn about keyword placement in content. It's a basic thing that we have discussed above, but here I can discuss again. The primary keyword must be 100 words. For example, you write 100 word paragraph, you can use 1 time. If you write 500 paragraph, you can use 2 time or 3 time. That's our keyword density. Keyword density means you can utilize keyword, how many times keyword utilize in a content. And the most important topic is use LSI keyword. LSI keyword means you can use a long tail keyword. Okay, long tail keywords like for example, real estate agent in New York, real estate agent in USA. So we can say that that's our long tail keywords. Okay, so you must use in your home page, in your about page, and contact us page as well. The third and last part of this blueprint is page speed optimization. Right now, Go High Level don't provide us any functionality we can optimize our page speed, but yeah, Go High Level officially optimized your speed very well, and even it's a very good than your WordPress website, and it's a mobile responsive. Yeah, it's you need to make your website mobile responsive. Normally what we can do, we are not going to take care of our mobile responsive, but that's the most important factor. We need to optimize our website for mobile responsive as well. So we need to do some schema markup for rich snippets. The schema markup is we have product schema, there is a 200 plus schema types, but we will utilize schema type according to our requirement. For example, you are a real estate agent, so in this case what we can do, we can make person schema, and we can make a service schema. That's the most important. In Go High Level right now don't have a functionality or app, but I can guide you in the practical video how you can add schema markup into your Go High Level website. And another thing is that SSL, yeah, that's a Go High Level provide without any cost or anything. They can provide SSL free of cost. And the last one is XML sitemap. We can learn how we can submit XML sitemap, and also I can show you how we can do our reports file as well. So these are some basic structure what we are going to learn in this SEO series for Go High Level website, but I can guide you step by step in the practical video as well, how we can implement this on all things on a Go High Level website. So yeah, that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep attached with me, so we will learn in the next video how we can implement these all things. So if you need any other Go High Level services like for designing landing page or the CRM setup or anything you want to learn about, or you want to you want a service of Go High Level or anything related Go High Level, simply go to leadsflex.com, and I will provide link in description box below as well. And after that you can book your free consultation and you will get a discount as well if you can mention you are coming from YouTube and this video. And if you looking for complete SEO service for your Go High Level website, so simply go on leadsflex.com and book your free consultation as well. And other offer is that if you can go with my affiliate link and you can buy Go High Level with my affiliate link, so the affiliate link in description box below, I will do complete website design free of cost for you, and I will also provide you these snapshot as well, and also I can design free landing page and free other services, lot of other services as well. It's around about 5,000 plus bonus I can provide you. So yeah, that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe as well.